You have a 12 months to build a wealth before AI changes everything. Here are the 5 AI business that you can start without any coding. Number 1, creating a Niche GPT wrapper. Don't create platform. Just pick one problem and wrap a GPT around it. For example, create a Cal AI that scan the food and tells you the calories. The second one is a voice cloning agency. So your voice is your asset. Clone it into ElevenLabs and then you can license it in Fiverr for ads. Or you can create your voice agency as well. Third one is AI employees for Boring Biz. For example, dentists and real estate agents are drowning in admin work. You can create a simple AI secretary that can help them to pick up the calls and send emails for them, schedule meetings and stuff like that. The fourth one is a wellness accountability bot. Don't be a doctor, just be a coach. You can create a Telegram bot that can track the sleep and nutrition, and accordingly you can give the feedback and personalize advices for that. Fifth one is a AI tutor. Education is broke. You can create a specialized tutor, like tutor for TOEFL. You can create a tutor accordingly based on AI. The gents like Meta are doing a lot, but they're lacking in finding the very small problems. So that you can take as an opportunity and create a business around it. So that's all for today. Bye.